Alright, I'm doing my presentation on police brutality and body cameras. And my name's Omar, and the reason why I've written this video because I'm trying to be a Delaware State Trooper cop or Middletown Police. Implementing body cameras because of police brutality. If we have body cameras, they will prevent a lot of cases being unjustified. Now, it will also prevent he said, she said. It will show only the facts and actually what happened. I know some body cameras can't get the whole entire story, but at least it was an attempt. It will show from a good cop and a bad cop. Police with body cameras and police officers without body cameras. As you can see, there is a higher rate of police officers without using their body cameras. They had to use more force instead of the ones that did have the body cameras. They didn't have to use as much force because they had their body cameras on them, and the civilians already know that they're being recorded from the start of the situation. Understand the theory. As you know, being a police officer, the force is like a brotherhood. And not everybody trusts the police because they are untrustworthy. They are supposed to be the ones that supposed to be there when we fall, but instead, it's like the other way around. And I think that's what makes people hate the cops at the same time. New beginning was police officer. So now that they introduce the body cameras to the majority of the force in the nation, people are starting to be trustworthy of the cops because, everything's being on camera, everything's being watched, every step of the police officer do, everything is being watched, and civilians are starting to be more open-minded. Hey, I'm being recorded, so I can't do nothing crazy, and now police officers are taking their job more seriously than before when they didn't have the cameras. Okay, now this is my conclusion. Now that body cameras are out, they're in the force, the cops know how to use them. Now, police officers and civilians are starting to be they're starting to be more friendly. Police officers and civilians they're starting to unite now because now they feel more safer that the body cameras are out and justice will be made if a situation might happen or a police officer did something wrong and he know he was in the wrong, but then the court system tried to do something crazy and have the police officer get off and probably have the civilian do some time for unjustified reason. At the end of the day, police officers need to realize that we are all humans. Nobody's perfect. They're not perfect. So the body cameras were put in place for a good reason. So everybody be accounted for, and not just for the police. So yeah, this is my presentation. I hope y'all like it, and have a good day.